Very good morning to all present here. I am Dr.Saravanakumar, Assistant Professor, Department of Management Studies, SNSB Spine, SNS Institutions. Today we are going to discuss about what do you mean by human resource management and functions of human resource management. So everyone know about that human resource management. It's related to manpower planning. So how many persons required for the particular department? So what do you mean by human resource management? It's nothing but selecting a right person for the right job at a right place at a right time. So now we are going to discuss about functions of human resource management. We will see one by one: manpower planning, recruitment, selection, staffing, training and development, job description, job analysis, job rotation, motivation, job evaluation, performance appraisal, health and safety. So these are the things related to the functions of human resource management. So we will see one by one. Manpower planning. So what do you mean by manpower planning? If we are going to start a manufacturing industry or departmental stores or differ from one organization to another organization. So the planning, manpower planning, how many persons required for the particular job. So depending upon the organization, it will be different from, for example, departmental stores. We are going to recruit, it means manpower, 15 to 30 people is enough. But if you are going to recruit for the factory, you need 500 to 1000 laborers. Next, recruitment. So there are two types of recruitment: pre-recruitment and post-recruitment. So what do you mean by pre-recruitment? Before you are going to apply for the particular job. For example, advertisement in newspapers like Hindu, Economic Times, Times of India, like that. Then job portals. So what do you mean by job portals? So everyone you can apply through Naukri, Monster, Time Jobs, Fresher World, like that. These are the job portals we are going to apply for that interview. Then most of the organizations, they are conducting the job fairs. Then employment exchange, you already know that. Then consultancies, most of the consultancies, they are doing the recruiting job. Then some of the organization, if you take it as a government industry or like that, notice boards in factory. So they are having some vacancy, so we need that particular employees. Next, selection. So if you are going to apply for the interview, there are more number of persons, more number of candidates. But depends upon the qualification, depends upon the experience, depends upon the relevant field only, we are going to shortlist the candidates. So first we are going to conduct the telephonic interview. So telephonic interview, why we are conducting means, we are going to testing the communication. Then if you got shortlisted after the telephonic interview, sending email to the certain candidates, sending call letter, you are shortlisted for the interview, you are having interview in that venue. Then sending messages through mobile phone. So it's a selection process. Next, staffing. If you are having one vacancy, for example HR, those who are all qualified, everyone will apply. But they are not recruiting every 100 employees in that particular organization. We need few candidates. So choosing the best candidate from all the candidate depends upon the performance in that HR interview, like that, your aptitude, communication skill, and everything we are going to check it. So suitable candidate for the particular job. Next, after the post recruitment process, pre-recruitment will be over. If you got the job, first you can collect the ID card, you are going to open your bank account, So these are the things. Next, very important, training and development. So there are two types of training and development: on the job training and off the job training. So train to the certain candidates. Next, job description. It's a very important in every job. So what are the roles and responsibilities? Describe about the particular job. So depending upon the job, it will be differ. For example, if you're going to appointed as accountant, as an accountant, you know that who are all debtors, who are all creditors, like that. Next class, we are going to discuss about job rotation. These are the things. Thank you.